So here we have the Skoda Kodiaq on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Just briefly before we climb in the car, I think it's well worth seeing the boot space as well. So we've got reversing sensors, as you can see. Plenty of boot space. Currently all 5 seats are in place, but you can fold up the rear 2 to give you a 7-seat configuration should you wish to. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge. It will show you what gear this car is in over there. It's an automatic, so we're in park at the moment. We have a digital readout for the speedometer in the centre. Over on the right-hand side, we have the trip computer and fuel gauge for the car. And in the centre at the bottom, you can see we got the trip computer, cruise control, which you can turn off to reveal the total miles for the car, which are 27,836. We back out to the steering wheel. On the left-hand side, we have stereo controls. On the right-hand side, we have buttons that will change the information that's being displayed up in that central section. And over in the centre itself, we have the main touchscreen for this car, including satellite navigation. We've done a video showing how the sat-nav works in a Skoda, and you can find that on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. We can come back to our home screen from here and pair our phone, for example, under the telephone heading. When it comes to music, we have, of course, got the radio. And that, you can see, comprises of DAB, FM and AM. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do under the media heading, just here. And again, we have a number of ways in which we can listen to it, and they include Bluetooth audio once you've paired up your phone. Working our way down from there, we have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning off, in this case, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain those temperatures by taking full control of both the fan speed and direction of the air for you. Any manual adjustment will override auto straight away, allow you to put it back on your own settings. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now turned off. We've also got parking sensors we can turn on and off. Deadlock, so you can lock the car doors from the outside. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. And then you've got the electronic handbrake. You can put the vehicle in off-road mode. You can also change the driving setup of the car. So you're able to put it into eco, normal, sport, individual, which means you can customize the settings shown on screen now. And you've got snow mode as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliance car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.